Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 3 super simple pitcher cocktail recipes for Memorial Day. Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah from thecharmingdetroiter.com where I run a lifestyle blog, and today I am super excited to share with you guys 3 super simple pitcher cocktail recipes for Memorial Day. Before we get started, if you like this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up below and that you click the big red subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos. So these are some really easy recipes, 5 or 6 ingredients each, and I am really excited to share with you guys. Let's get right into the video. So first up, we're going to make our simple syrups, and you can make all 3 of these together or you can make them individually depending on which pitcher cocktail you want to make. So the basic recipe is simple. You're going to use equal parts of sugar and water in order to make your simple syrup. You're going to gently boil them until the sugar is completely dissolved and then remove it from the heat. At this point, you can either let your simple syrup cool down for just regular simple syrup, or you can add some other things to it. For these recipes, I'm going to be using blackberries and tarragon for one simple syrup and then blueberries for another simple syrup. Okay, so the first cocktail is a champagne-based cocktail. So you're going to take 1 bottle of champagne, and to that you're going to add 1 cup of apricot brandy, and you're going to add a half a cup of your simple syrup. Then for a little bit of color and flavor, we're going to add a couple of cups of sliced strawberries. And then I have about 1 bunch of some mint leaves. And you're gonna give it a nice stir. And then you're just gonna fill up with ice. Give it another good stir. And then you are all set for a glass of this strawberry champagne pitcher cocktail. Okay, so for the second pitcher cocktail, we are going to be doing a white wine-based cocktail. So you're gonna start with 1 bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. You could also use a Chardonnay if you'd like something a little oakier, or you could use Pinot Grigio if you prefer something sweeter. Then you're gonna use a half a cup of the blueberry simple syrup that we made. I'm gonna use 12 ounces of sparkling water. I'm gonna use my favorite, LaCroix, but you could use Pellegrino or whichever kind of sparkling water you prefer. This just helps give it a little bit of bubbly. Then the fun part, 1 cup of blueberries. You're gonna put in 2 peaches that I pitted and then I just kind of cubed them. You could also slice them if you prefer. Then 1 handful of some torn basil leaves. And then you're gonna give that a stir. Then of course add ice. And you're gonna stir again. There you have a super refreshing white wine blueberry peach spritzer cocktail. Okay, so the last pitcher cocktail is going to be a red wine-based pitcher cocktail. So you're going to use a bottle of Cabernet. You could use, whichever kind of red wine that you prefer. So we'll pour that in first. Then you're going to use a half a cup of the tarragon blackberry simple syrup that we made earlier. Then you're going to use a half a cup of Pernod. You can find this at any kind of liquor store. And then you are going to add the fruit. So I'm going to do a cup of blackberries and then a little bit of tarragon leaves. Of course, you have the tarragon and the simple syrup, but you can also use a little bit of this for some color. So we'll stir that up and then add the ice and then stir again. And there you have your blackberry tarragon red wine pitcher cocktail. All right, so there you have it, 3 super simple cocktail pitcher recipes for Memorial Day. These are super refreshing, very simple to make, and they are very easy to drink all day long with your family and your friends while you're celebrating Memorial Day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a big thumbs up below if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye friends, and cheers.